There is something you are saying every day that is quietly blocking your wealth. Not loudly, not intentionally, but consistently. And because it is repeated, it is powerful. You may not even notice it. A simple phrase, a passing thought, a reaction to your reality. But that reaction is creating your reality. You believe you are describing your situation, but in truth, you are commanding it. And this is what Florence Scovel Shinn revealed. Your word is your wand. What you speak, you shape. What you repeat, you become. And most people are unknowingly repeating lack. Write this now. I cancel every negative word about money. You must understand, this is not about being positive. This is about being aware, because every careless word has consequence. I want you to listen until the end, because what you're about to discover, you will learn the words that is blocking you from wealth. There are phrases that seem harmless, but they carry weight. I can't afford this. This is too expensive. I never have enough. These are not observations. They are instructions. And your subconscious mind does not filter them. It accepts them. And once accepted, they must be expressed. This is why the same patterns repeat. Not because life is unfair, but because the command has not changed. Write this. I no longer speak lack into my life. Your subconscious mind is always listening, even when you are not aware, especially when you are emotional, because emotion imprints faster than logic. So when you say, I'm broke, I'm struggling with feeling, you are not just speaking, you are programming. And that program runs automatically until you interrupt it. Write this. My words now create abundance. There was a man who constantly joked about money. I'm always broke. Money disappears. He laughed. Others laughed. It felt harmless. But over time, it became real. Opportunities vanished. Expenses increased. Nothing stayed. Until one moment, he realized he had been repeating the same words for years, and life had simply agreed. Write this. I speak only what I want to experience. Words are not just sounds. They carry direction, expectation, energy, and life follows direction. If you say, money is hard to get, life will make it true, not to punish you, but to reflect you. Write this. Money comes to me easily and freely. So how do you stop this? Not by fighting the old words, but by replacing them immediately. When you think, I can't afford this, you say, I always have more than enough. At first, it feels unnatural, but repetition creates familiarity, and familiarity becomes belief. You are not just changing words, you are changing identity. From someone who lacks to someone who has. And once identity shifts, reality follows. Because life reflects who you believe you are. Now understand this. Nothing outside you is blocking your wealth. No person, no situation, no past. Only one thing. The words you continue to repeat. But tonight, that changes. You are no longer speaking unconsciously. You are no longer reinforcing lack. You are choosing every word, every thought, every declaration. Write this now. I now receive everything meant for me. Your words are no longer against you. They are now working for you. And now, something begins to happen, not outside you, but within you. a pause, a space between what you used to say and what you choose to say now. And in that space, you begin to notice something you never saw before. How often your mind repeats the same patterns, quietly, automatically, without question. Write this now. I am aware of every word I speak, because awareness is where change begins. Most of your words are not conscious. They are echoes of what you heard growing up, of what you experienced before, of what you accepted without realizing. And so you are not just speaking your own thoughts, you are repeating inherited ones. I have to struggle. Money doesn't come easily. I need to be careful. These are not truths, they are programs, and a program will run until it is replaced. Write this. I release every inherited belief about money. Let it go, because it was never yours to carry. There are two voices within you. One speaks from fear. The other speaks from truth. The voice of fear says, be careful, don't risk, expect less. The voice of truth says, there is always enough. You are supported. You are provided for. And whichever voice you repeat becomes stronger, not because it is right, but because it is practiced. Write this. I choose thoughts that support my wealth, because choice is power. Think back to the first time you felt lack, a moment when something wasn't available, when you were told no, when you felt limited. That moment left an impression, and that impression became a belief, and that belief became a pattern, and that pattern became your reality. Until now. I want you to write this in the comments. I am free from my past limitations, because the past has no power unless you repeat it. Now listen carefully. You are not trying to fix your life. You are reprogramming it, and reprogramming requires repetition. So from this moment forward, you begin to speak differently, not occasionally, but consistently. When fear appears, you answer it with a new word, a new direction, a new command. Write this. My new words create my new reality. There was a woman who became aware of every word she spoke. At first, it was exhausting. She noticed how often she said, I can't. This is hard. This won't work. But instead of ignoring it, she interrupted it. Every time, quietly, consistently, replacing it with, it is working out. I am supported. There is always a way. Nothing changed immediately, but something inside her became stable, calm, certain. And over time, her outer world caught up. At some point, this is no longer practice. It becomes identity. You no longer try to think differently. You simply do. And when that happens, life no longer feels like resistance. It feels like flow, because you are no longer divided. You are aligned. Write this. I am aligned with abundance. Say it out loud. Say it with full conviction. And in that alignment, something else appears. Silence. Not emptiness, but clarity. A quiet knowing that everything is already unfolding, that nothing is missing, that nothing is delayed. And from that silence, you no longer speak out of fear. You speak with intention. Write this. I trust the process of my life. Now understand this fully. You have not just changed your words, you have changed your direction. You have moved from unconscious repetition to conscious creation. And that shift changes everything. Write this now. I now receive everything meant for me. From this moment forward, your words are no longer accidental. They are intentional, precise, powerful. And life will respond accordingly.